Okay guys, now today we have a big plant of sedum palmiri. Now we will take two cuttings, two healthy cuttings from this plant, and then we will try to propagate it from these cuttings. So we have scissor and forceps, so we will try to cut the two stems. Now we will just choose two healthy one, although you can take some thin one, but still it is better to choose the thick ones. Usually the success rate is 100%. Okay, now we are cutting the first one. Okay, we got our first cutting. It has two sub shoots on it. Okay, there is one main stem and two sub shoots. Now we will go for second one, and we can make like hundreds of plants from this single plant, because this plant is around 30 years old. After 2 days, because we need to we need to place them so that their wounds will healed up. Okay, so now these are our cuttings. Okay, now now the wounds are healed. You can see that they are callus cover, because like callus is a small membrane which used to cover the wounded part of the stem. Now our media is there, and we are just pouring some water into the media so that it will get hydrated a bit. Okay, so now you can see the drainage. Okay, as soon as we pour the water, it just vanish out. And why it is so? Because our media contains sand content in it, like 50% sand and 50% simple soil, garden soil. Okay, so nothing special. Okay, because these succulents don't need a lot of fertilizers. Okay, now we are just placing our plants like this. Okay, and like this. Okay, so this one. Okay, now we have to wait for some days. Okay, now okay, so we also need to keep them in shade, because if you used to put them in sun, it is dangerous. And after 10 days, just after 10 days, you will see a lot of progress. Okay, like today is like I think 14th of July. Okay, so now we can see the progress. Within 10 days it used to have a lot of rooting. Okay, now we can see that these two are our cuttings. So okay, we just want to, okay, now you can see the root ball. Okay, it is great. There is a lot of roots. Okay, a lot of roots that holds the media. Okay, I am just tapping it with the forceps so that I can see some roots. Okay, but roots are very small, like fibrous roots. Okay, so this our sedum palmiri cutting result. Okay, so after just within 10 days. So now we will see the second one. Okay, now this is the second one. Now you can see it has the same root ball as the first one. Means that because nowadays it is monsoon season, there is a lot of raining, and they used to be in rain as well. Okay, although they are in a bit shade with morning sunlight, but still there is raining in the night time every day. So that is why they have shown a lot of progress. Okay, so now you can see that this is our sedum plant. Although it a bit resembles the aeonium plants, but the major difference is the like shape of the flower. It resembles sedum palmiri flower, resembles the sedum family. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.